So this is our top. It's well made, easy to put together. It took about 15 minutes. These are just cloth, but they're nice. And it consists of the bottom piece, 1, 2 on the sides, 1, 2, 1 on the top, 3, and then 1 on the back. So about 5 pieces. And then it comes with a couple little hooks there. It sits in there real nice, had some rubber pads. Highly recommended.
So I purchased this to make more room in my small home, and it is amazing. It gives you a lot more room. It's super easy to build. Yeah, and it's very high quality. So if you're wondering if you should buy this or not, I 100% recommend it.